there's one kitten down here. Hi. Yes, running away. Yes, one cat went out in the cornfield. Pretty sad. Here's this gray cat. Come on. That cat is right there. Look how close it is to me. Some cats, my aunt's cats, and they're both brothers and sisters, and one of them ran off. I don't get why. Like, wait, do I see it? Is that? I think I kind of see it down there, maybe. It's right there. Poor kitten. Do I see it? Right there. He's open. Yeah. It's like, where's the food? Really? You ate all the food, brother? I mean, yeah, brother. Really good. You better not get hurt over there. There's bad stuff over there, so you better. Hey, kitty. I wish there were inside cats. That would be better. I mean, they're probably like run and hide under our beds, maybe. But you know, they're outside cats. Oh, yeah, just go under there. I don't care. I mean, if we put like blanket, I don't know. This was their bowl, and technically, the brother ate all the food. You are a hog. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Where'd you go? Come here. Come here. Yeah, they're scared of me. They don't like me. I'm doing it because here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Yeah, it scared me. There's no food in there, but what are you gonna do? Here. No. I mean, there's little crumbs that eat. You can eat. It's okay. Got all those little slobbers. So that. Oh, whoa. Oh, he's scared? I thought he was shivering. It's for. Where'd that other cat go? Come out, wherever you are. Hey, don't leave the camera. That's mean. Come back. Oh yeah, going for your sister now? Oh, right there. There. She is. Beautiful cat. I'm gonna get that one right there. Come here. You don't like me. None of them do. Who wants food? When you want food? Do you? Hey, yeah, look at the camera. Come on. I can't. I'm trying to make a noise so they can come in. It's okay. Smell me. It's okay. She's like, no. I want to smell you no matter what. Or he. Oh, they're so cute. They look like twins. I mean, what if they were twins? That would be crazy. But they're not. That's sad.